Hey guys, this is working for cookies. Well, I did a smoke. I replaced the PCV valve on this thing here. Kind of a pain in the ass to get in there. Replaced that and did a smoke test on it, and I didn't get any leaks. I didn't see any leaks coming out anywhere. I used a makeshift smoker. Seen that on the YouTube. Worked great, but I didn't see any leaks really. Only place I had leaks coming out was out of the air cleaner. So that's about it. So, and I did replace the PVC valve, but I don't know. Should there be clamps on there? I mean, everywhere else has clamps. Why is there no clamps on that? I don't know. Because that could suck air through there too, eh? I don't know. I don't know. And every other vacuum line on this car has a clamp on it. So, weird. Like I said before on another video, when I sprayed the carb cleaner on here, it sucked in here. So I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to find some clamps, and some of these kind of clamps, like kind of factory ones, and stick them on there, and maybe even a zap tie. Yeah, maybe a zap tie might work. And put a zap tie on there and see if that works, and go from there. Because it would definitely suck something from there. Yeah, I might try the zap tie thing on it. That might work okay for that application. But yeah, so we put in the smoke in the back there, from the back hose right here. And that back hose there into the manifold, and you didn't see any leaks anywhere. So I'm not 100% convinced that's a problem yet. And anyways, we're going to put the zap ties on there and go from there and see how that, if that does anything. But I'm going to buy, sorry, shaky. I'm going to buy it's Autel scanner. A little bit expensive, but I gotta be able to diagnose do a better diagnosis on this engine. So they said to me that they did a compression test on the car, but I see no evidence of anything being touched. So I don't know, hard to say. So all they really did was replace the O2 sensor on it, and that's about it. Even I'm not even convinced that's done properly, because these guys are a bunch of cocksuckers. So, but anyways, there you have it. So, anyways, there's the wiring harness. Goes down in there somewhere. I don't know. Who knows? Probably spliced it and show you that, whatever they do there. But anyways, let's we'll put some zap ties on there and see if that helps any, and then I'll have to pull the car out and try it out again and see what happens. That's what we can do. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and put some zap ties on there, and I'll have to scramble up some more money and get a proper tester for it. See what happens. Alright, thanks for watching.